In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove specific speed options from the playback speed list using JavaScript in the Articulate Storyline player. Start by previewing your course to view the default playback speed options. By default, Storyline allows learners to choose speeds like 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, and even 2x. If you'd like to remove specific speeds options, such as 1.75 and 2x, which we will remove in this tutorial. First, go to the View tab at the top of your screen, and click Slide Master. Now create a new trigger that executes JavaScript when the timeline starts. In the JavaScript window, paste the following code. This code watches for the speed menu to appear, then hides the 1.75 and 2x speed options. Click OK to save the JavaScript code, then close the Slide Master view to return to your project. Preview your course again, and you will see that the 1.75 and 2x speed options have been successfully removed. That's it. You have now customized the playback speed options in your Storyline 360 player, giving learners a more tailored experience. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.